For balling the ends of silver wire, you need basically three tools. One is a cross-locking tweezers, one is a butane torch, and the third is your wire. So I put my wire in my cross-locking tweezers and I allow at least 1.5 inches below, because the idea is the first thing I'm going to do is heat the entire wire. Of course, some heat goes into the tweezers too, but that's okay. So we're creating kind of a heat bank, and then we concentrate the heat, the hottest part of the flame, at the bottom of the wire. This wire happens to be argentium wire, and you can see I may need a larger flame on my torch because it really doesn't ball up that evenly or that well. Argentium has the small amount of copper in it, so the fires, it's not supposed to have fire scale. So the fire scale that it looks like is on this wire would likely come off with a soft polishing material. The next wire I tried is a sterling silver wire, and I actually took a sterling silver ear wire and straightened it out and put it in my cross-locking tweezers. And I applied heat all the way up and down this wire with a slightly larger flame. And you can see that it just kind of pops into a ball. Nicely. So the thing about sterling is when you heat sterling, you can always tell that it's sterling because it has the most amount of copper, which oxidizes on the surface, and sterling wire will always look black. This would require cleaning in a pickle solution or using an abrasive polishing material to get the black off. The last wire I used is fine silver wire, and I heat the whole wire, and as you can see, the bottom just balls up very nicely and very evenly. So these little balls on the end, you can use them as is, or another thing you can do is put them on your workbench, your steel bench, and take a hammer to it and flatten them out.